Welcome to Mr. Benjamin's Math World. Tonight we are going to be working with the multiplication of binomials by using the FOIL method. Let me remind you that a binomial is a polynomial that contains two terms. Two terms and two terms. This is a binomial and this is also a binomial, and we are multiplying them. In order to multiply binomials, we can use several methods. The one we are going to be using now is called the FOIL method. It is called FOIL. It means first terms, outer terms, inner terms, and last terms. It means that we are going to be multiplying the first terms in these two binomials. We are multiplying the outer terms in these binomials. We are multiplying the inner terms in these binomials. And we are multiplying the last terms in these binomials. Let's identify them first. This is the first term of this binomial, and this is the first term in this binomial. So x times x will be our first multiplication. We are going to be multiplying the first terms, x, x. These two are the first terms. Outer terms, it means the terms outside. The terms outside are the x and the number 3. These two are the outer terms. The inner terms, it means the terms inside. They are the number 2 and the letter x. These two are the inner terms, as you can see right here. Inner terms. And the last terms in each binomial is the 2 and the negative 3 are the last terms. Let's multiply them now. FOIL method. First terms, x times x, x to the second power. And yes, remember that when multiplying monomials, we multiply the coefficients, invisible. 1 times 1 is 1, it's right here. And we add the exponents. 1 plus 1 is 2. Therefore, x times x, x to the second power. Now multiply the outer terms. X times negative 3. Positive x times negative 3. Let's multiply the signs first. Positive times negative is negative. X times 3, 3x. We already multiplied the outer terms. Now let's multiply the inner terms. They are positive 2 times positive x. Let's multiply the signs first. Positive times positive equals to positive. And now we multiply 2 times x equals to 2x. And for last, we multiply the last terms. They are positive 2 times negative 3. Let's multiply the signs first. Positive times negative equals to negative. 2 times 3 equals to 6. Once we solve the multiplication, now we need to identify if we have like terms. Do we have like terms? Yes, we do. Here they are. These two are like terms because they have the same variable and the same exponent. So these two are the like terms. So what I'm doing is I'll just bring down the x to the second power, and then I solve this operation. It says negative 3x plus 2x. We can forget about the letter if you like, because all we have to do is get the value of the number, and then we just add the letter. Let's solve the addition or subtraction. If we remember the rules of science in addition and subtraction, they say when the numbers have different signs, negative and positive. We subtract the numbers and we copy the sign of the greatest of them. So let's subtract them no matter what. 3 minus 2 is 1. And then we copy the sign of the greatest. Which one is greater, 3 or 2? The 3. The 3 has a negative sign, so I put a negative right here. And then I just bring down the x. So it's negative 1x. But we may omit the coefficient when this coefficient is the number 1. So we may erase it. It's just negative x or negative 1x. And then no more like terms. These two have been solved. Negative 3x plus 2x is equals to negative 1x. Here it is. And then I'll just bring down the negative 6. X plus 2 times x minus 3 is equals to x to the second minus x minus 6. And this is the result for this first multiplication. Our second exercise, multiplying again binomials by using the FOIL method. Let's multiply again. Multiplying the first terms, FOIL, first terms, outer terms, inner terms, and last terms. First terms, x times x, x to the second power. Outer terms, x times negative 3 equals to negative 3x. Inner terms, negative 4 times x equals to negative 4x. And last terms, negative 4 times negative 3 equals to positive 12. Once we solve the multiplication, let's see if we have some like terms. And we do have like terms here. As you can see, these two are the like terms. So what I'm doing is I'll just bring down the x to the second power and solve the like terms. It says negative 3x minus 4x. This is adding or subtracting. As you can see, we are not multiplying. We do not have any multiplication here. It's just adding or subtracting depending on what the signs tell us what to do. In this case, the rule says, in addition and subtraction, when the numbers have the same signs, negative and negative, we add the numbers and we copy the same sign. What same sign? The negative sign in this case. And we add the numbers. 4 and 3 is 7. And bring down the x, 7x. It's like negative 3x minus 4x equals to negative 7x. And then just bring down the positive 12. The result for multiplying the binomials x minus 4 times x minus 3 is equals to x to the second minus 7x plus 12. And this is the way you solve multiplication of binomials by using the FOIL method. If you think this was a useful video to you, please feel free to subscribe and activate the bell in order to receive further notifications. See you next time.